There are billions of people in this world. Napakahirap humanap ng taong mamahalin natin na ibibigay natin yung lahat. But it's more difficult to find someone who is willing to give up and drop everything down just to be with us. Ang hirap humanap ng taong ganyan. Yung kayang ibigay ang lahat sa atin para lang mapasaya tayo. Yung nagmamakaawang maging bahagi ng mundo natin. And sometimes, these are the people that we take for granted. Kasi nasanay tayo na lagi lang naman sila andyan eh. But the easiest people to take for granted are the people who are always available. And the only time that we realize the value of these people ay pag wala na siya. Nag-iba na yung nakikinabang sa atensyon na dati tayo nakakakuha. And I'm afraid it might happen to you if you do not change your ways. And you are 40 years old. Truth be told, you do not have the luxury of time. Wala kang mahabang panahon sa mundong ito para humanap ng taong magpaparamdam na sobrang ganda mo at hinahanap ka palagi. Kung pride lang to,